Chicken beacon. KFC chicken beacon. When Kevin gets back, we should tell him, hey, go get the chicken beacon for us.
Oh wait, shit! I already has KFC now. Fuck.
Oh my god! Just watch out for a save.
I know, fucking for real though.
Okay.
There we go.
Now, let's attempt to get this thing moving.
Oh god. Oh god, this is just gonna end bad. Oh no.
Whoa!
I almost. Oh no! Don't back the fuck up!
Oh!
I'm riding your ass. Why are you backing up? All right, you gotta come in fast. Quick with the stick, nerd. Quick with the stick.
Am I out of power?
Did you? Knock knock. Ding ding. Fuck, I don't know.
Oh wait, I hit the power button.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Am I out of power?
Man, I wish I had a light under my butt.
No. Man, I wish my ass glowed. Wait, fuck, wait, no, shit, fucking go up!
What?
Space bar!
I got it!